Feeling restricted by Venmo? Ever hit a payment wall and wondered, wait, how much can I actually send a week? You're not alone. Venmo's limits can feel a little confusing, especially since they're not a simple, fixed number. Here's the essential breakdown of your Venmo weekly sending limits, what determines them, and how you can boost yours. First, let's talk about that weekly part. Venmo doesn't run on a standard calendar week, like Monday to Sunday. It uses what's called a rolling weekly limit. This means the limit tracks your transactions for exactly 7 days from the moment each transaction is made. If you hit your limit on a Tuesday afternoon, it starts to free up precisely 1 week later, on the following Tuesday afternoon. Now for the big factor, identity verification. Your limits are drastically different based on whether you've verified your identity. This is a security and compliance requirement, and it's super easy to do in the Venmo app settings. If your account is unverified, your sending limits are quite low. Your combined weekly limit for sending money to people and making purchases is only $299.99. That's an immediate bottleneck for anything substantial. But once you're verified, things open up significantly. For a standard personal account, your weekly limit for sending money to other users can jump up to $60,000. That's a massive difference. For purchases, like paying authorized merchants or using the Venmo debit card, your combined weekly spending limit increases to $7,000. And finally, getting your money out to your bank account also has limits. For verified users, the weekly limit for transfers to your bank is up to $19,999.99. So, the takeaway is simple. If you plan on using Venmo for more than small, infrequent payments, you absolutely need to verify your identity. It's the key that unlocks the higher limits. You can check your current standing and available limit directly within the app settings under Payment Limits. Knowing these numbers helps you plan your transactions and avoid that frustrating moment when your payment gets declined. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.